Tricia, I see you here by the camellia bush. I expected to see a lot of flowers in here. What's going on here?
Well, I'm in the process of disbudding, Danny.
Why would you take any of the buds off? The more buds, the better, I would think.
Well, for some people that's true, but I personally like to save a few buds that grow into stronger, bigger blossoms. Now, Danny, look, this is an example. Here we've got two kinds of buds. This is a growth bud. It's kind of conical shape. And then this nice fat bud, that's the flower bud.
But now, do you usually take off just the small ones throughout, or do you take off 10%, 20%? Is there any rule of thumb there?
Well, no particular rule of thumb. What I like to do is remove some of the big fat buds and then some of the smaller ones, because then by doing that I'm going to extend the growing season. And as far as how many you remove, you know, that's just all personal. I like to have a variety of them throughout the bush, and even on one stem I'll remove some along the stem so that when the flowers bloom they'll space themselves out. And even if you look here, see this one's kind of already, something's wrong with it. So,
sure is.
so I'm going to remove that, but this one's still there, ready to go.
Well, that looks great. That sounds like it makes sense, but what are you going to do with these? Maybe a little garlic, maybe a little butter?
Oh, Danny,